Have you ever found yourself standing in front of an open fridge with a dish full of leftovers and wondering, how the hell am I gonna fit this? It's not a fun position to be in. So I wanna arm you with a couple of hacks to help you eke out some extra fridge space. Remember these anytime your fridge or freezer gets filled up with groceries, prepped meals, or all those leftovers. Make an extra shelf with a baking sheet. If you can finesse a baking sheet into the fridge, either on top of another baking dish or propped up on 4 jars of a similar height, it's like adding an extra shelf to the inside of your fridge. Stack mixing bowls with chopsticks or skewers. This tip is great when you have several bowls to stash in the fridge. Mixing bowls aren't exactly known for being easy to store and stack when they're full of food. These hacks will help get you out of an immediate pinch, but there are, of course, plenty of store-bought solutions that can help maximize your fridge and freezer space. Let me know if you'd like to cover those in a future video by leaving a comment.